Hello guys, welcome to the channel. Today we are going to discuss rare actual photos of the upcoming Google Pixel 10 base model that have surfaced online, giving fans an unexpected early glimpse at the device. The leak came from an unusual listing on the Chinese auction site Hufish, spotted by 9to5 Google. While the listing was meant to sell only the motherboard of a Pixel 10 prototype, it surprisingly included clear images of the full phone. The post even featured a strange rant about scammers, but despite the odd presentation, the photos appeared to be authentic and credible. The design of the leaked device closely resembles that of the Pixel 10 Pro prototype seen in previous leaks. Notably, it features a triple camera setup on the back, marking a significant upgrade over the dual camera setup found on the Pixel 9. Based on earlier rumors and visual clues from the images, the triple camera system likely includes a wide lens, an ultra-wide lens, and a 5x telephoto lens. Additionally, there's a mysterious sensor placed just beneath the flash, which might be a temperature sensor, similar to what was included on the Pixel 9 Pro. The heart of the leak revolves around the Pixel 10's engineering prototype motherboard, which was the actual item up for sale in the Hufish listing. The board revealed the presence of Google's next-generation Tensor G5 chip, although its serial numbers were deliberately blurred to avoid attracting Google's attention. The board was labeled EVT 1.0, indicating it's an early but bootable test unit. The price tag? A mere 7,777 yen, about $53. However, the listing made it clear that no phone, body, screen, or battery was included. This wasn't a plug-and-play device, it was more of a collector's item or a piece for serious hardware tinkerers. The Tensor G5 chip is expected to be one of the Pixel 10's most talked about upgrades. Built on TSMC's advanced 3nm process, the same used for Apple's upcoming A18 Pro chip in the iPhone 16 Pro, it promises significant improvements in power efficiency and thermal performance. This could be a major step forward, especially considering the overheating issues seen in past Pixel devices using earlier Tensor chips. However, there's a catch. Reports suggest Google is sticking with older CPU cores, which means we shouldn't expect a massive leap in raw performance. While heat management and battery life are expected to improve, the actual speed gains may be modest. With over a month left before Google officially unveils the Pixel 10, this leak is likely just the beginning. More information, including camera samples, UI screenshots, or even hands-on previews, could emerge soon. Enthusiasts and leakers alike will be watching closely as the launch date approaches. As always, the community is buzzing with speculation and excitement. What do you think about this surprising Pixel 10 leak? Are you excited about the triple camera system and improved efficiency from the Tensor G5 chip? Or are you hoping for more groundbreaking changes in the final version? Share your thoughts in the comments and stay tuned for more updates as new leaks unfold.